Want to grow at home. In this series, we are going to watch a special plant. The plant is Mimosa Pudica, otherwise commonly known as touch me not, or Chui Mui, sensitive plant, shy plant, or shame plant. In Tamil, it is known as Totta Chinningi. So the most interesting feature of this plant, Mimosa Pudica, is its ability to fold the leaves when touched. That is why it is called touch me not. It can be propagated by seeds as well as cuttings. It is an extremely easy plant to grow and germinates quickly. And the seed sowing must be done when the temperature is warm. This plant prefers sun to light shade sites with well draining and a moderately fertile soil. See this beautiful plant. It's a small herb and it is having small leaves, a lot of branches. So one of the salient feature of this plant is it will shrink when you touch it. See this beautiful plant. It's a small herb and it is having small leaves, a lot of branches. So one of the salient feature of this plant is it will shrink when you touch it. See this beautiful plant. It's a small herb and it is having small leaves, a lot of branches. So one of the salient feature of this plant is it will. So this plant is available in most of the nurseries, or you can get from MD Naturals nursery. So once you got a plant, so keep the plant in natural indirect sunlight and do not repot for minimum 2 weeks after receiving it. This is because it has to acclimatize to the local conditions. So water when topsoil feels dry to touch. The plant usually grows just above anywhere, and the beauty of this plant is it can grow wide range of environmental conditions. It is very simple to grow. So dig a hole somewhat shallower than the length of the root ball. Then place the plant in the hole and replace soil, tamping slowly as you go, water sufficiently. Then whenever it requires, spray the water. So in our experience, 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the season and other parameters, you can see the plant start growing. So the plant also contains flowers, fruits, and the fruits contain seeds. As I mentioned earlier, either you can raise the plant through cuttings or by seeds. So the plant also contains flowers, fruits, and the fruits contain seeds. As I mentioned earlier, either you can raise the plant through cuttings or by seeds. So the plant also contains flowers, fruits, and the fruits contain seeds. As I mentioned earlier, either you can raise the plant through cuttings or by seeds. So the plant also contains. So subscribe our channel and make comments and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. So the seeds are very tiny and it can be easily raised from the seeds. So the seeds are very tiny and it can be easily raised from the seeds. So use manure with soil, so it will help to grow the seeds faster. Care is required in the case of the soil quality and get rid of this weed or insects. So as usual, open the seed packet on a sheet of paper and put the seeds into the prepared soil to half an inch of depth. Sprinkle the water using a sprinkler or you can use your hands manually. Usually germination is to take roughly 2 weeks. Then as you wish you can transplant the seedlings to pots or other any desired areas. So care should be required to water the plants regularly so that you can see the plant growing very faster. Sprinkle the water using a sprinkler or you can use your hands manually. Usually germination is to take roughly 2 weeks. Then as you wish you can transplant the seedlings to pots or other any desired areas. So care should be required. So don't hesitate to contact us for Mimosa plant or Mimosa seeds. So we have given our link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. So you will see in the next video. Bye bye.